Spread across 2 floors with an abundance of space on offer, the flexible floor plan offers 4 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms and a study depending on your needs. Perfectly suited to those who are looking for a low maintenance lifestyle. I can't wait to show you through the home. Let's explore the rest of the property. Well, I hope you enjoyed the property tour. If you do have any questions, please reach out to us via phone or email, or we look forward to seeing you at an inspection.